load of on Spotify as well. We're listening to Game Trop's discography. They're solid. They're like a royalty-free, DMCA strike-free, live streamy stuff. That's completely acceptable for live streams. What's this? Oh, my phone is making sound. Shouldn't be making sound. Oh, you could have been able to hear that the whole time as we're watching back the chat. Blah blah blah. Okay, so live on YouTube. This is the important factor. So I'm going to wait and see if anyone rolls in for just a few minutes because I've only just got started. But as you can see here, we've got the T480 visible from this camera here, and then this is obviously the whole setup over here, and then this screen is my Elgato HD60 capturing directly off the ThinkPad. So far we don't have anything i3 related installed. I did a little test run and then annihilated it. I've customized PopOS a fair bit, so I've installed a fair bit of software. So the rough gist is that I am in the process of filming a YouTube video for my Tech Dave channel, and I wanted to install, so I've done a load of stuff about these emulators and Steam games and stuff, but I wanted to see how, so we've got some leftovers there. What am I trying to say? I wanted to see how i3 works as well as PopOS. So there is a video in the works about PopOS using the eGPU, which is just off over there behind my P51, which I'm streaming from. Let me just quickly check that this is sounding nice. Yeah, excellent. Right, a friend of mine is going to be digging whilst watching my live stream. That is awesome. So I did a scripted install of i3 Window Manager, which was just like a pre-made one, which is why I've got Vim and Kitty and all this sort of stuff left over. Don't even know what uLauncher is really. But then I installed all of these. I've got emulators, I've got a bunch of stuff. I've also been testing with the RX 480. So what can I do before we start? So let's view 4 more links here. So we've got, if you want to find me elsewhere, we've got twitter.com/drbradley46, Instagram Tech Dave YouTube, that's defunct, don't use that. Twitch Tech Dave YouTube, I believe that's still working. Tech Dave YouTube on Facebook and Reddit are both definitely a thing. Somehow I've ended up with 1.8 thousand followers on Facebook, which I don't really know how, but it's still welcome and cool. We've got 1.8k followers there. Tech Dave YouTube on Reddit is not like exactly famous or doing particularly well, and I'm fairly well known on, oh look, let's see, we've got some notifications. I'm just going to let them know that I am live now, and then probably take the live stream from YouTube. I've muted the actual laptop, so thankfully we don't have to listen back to a looping version of that. And yeah, as I said, I'm going to wait for things to roll in. So basically I've done some degree of customization of PopOS already. And now I want to do i3, so I'm going to just... Oh, who we got? Rito Space and Christopher Man. Yo, what up guys? How's it going? Welcome to the stream. So I'm fully open to ideas and information, but basically we're going from a bare metal PopOS install directly to i3. So I haven't even got the terminal open and installed i3 yet. So that's how fresh this process is. So it will take some time, and that's cool with me. Yeah, it's a pretty sweet setup. It's like, I don't know which camera do I need to show you. This one. So we've got my P51 streaming. We've got 42-inch HD TV, which is getting a nice flicker on. So I might be able to switch that out. Let's see what frame per second, what hertz we're at. It's not really saying because I've got the displays mirrored. We've got the laptop display and the TV screen. i3 blocks for the status bar. Okay, we can try that. We can try that. I'm open to anything really. I just want. I need assistance with this more than anything. And then let me switch it back. So this, I keep typing in the chat accidentally. I'm going to go to the screen one. There we go. So this is the specs of the basic T480. We've got 16 gigs of RAM. I did try and put 32 gigs of RAM in it, but it wouldn't boot at all. I just got black screen. The device came on, but I couldn't boot at all. So yeah, we've got 16 gigs of RAM. We've got a base PopOS, as you can see, 22.04 long-term support, latest version. We've got GNOME 42.9, Windows System X11. We've got 1 terabyte NVMe PCI Gen 3 4X NVMe drive. Intel 620, and you can see the CPU there is the i5-8550U, which its turbo is 4 gigahertz, but I ain't never seen 4 gigahertz out of it, ever. So I'm going to kind of just keep waffling a little bit to wait to see if anyone else filters in, and then if not, we're going to go from this basic setup right the way through to. Oh yeah, this is the thing that's annoying me. So wireless WAN works on Windows perfectly, but it doesn't even detect the SIM card. And I've tried GUI, modem manager GUI, but it just doesn't even detect it. But that is not relevant for right now. We've got a Wi-Fi connection, we're all good. So I guess the first port of call is just to open the terminal. And what you're saying, i3 blocks. So yeah, while you're here, right, so I've got sudo apt install i3, and then i3 blocks, I guess. Any other recommendation? I'm just trying to think. i3 block is pretty useful. What else? Let's just start with that. Looks like I've already used this terminal with sudo. And before anyone tries to hack me, it's a temporary password. I think I just got it wrong as well, because I only just changed it. See if I got it right this time, come on. Oh my fucking, pardon my language. Did I get it right this time? Yes! Thankfully. Right, that's what happens when you use a password you're not used to. D menu. I can install that post this process, can't I? Yeah, I can. D menu is a good one. I think i3 just as standard comes with D menu. Or does it not? Am I thinking of something else? I'm thinking of something else, never mind. So, to app install D menu. Right, yeah, so it came with that. Suckless tools instead of D menu. Should we reboot into this delicious new operating system then? I'm just trying to think if there's anything else we can do. Selecting suckless tools instead of D menu. Yeah, so exit. And we're going to reboot. No, we're not going to reboot, we're going to log out. And you can't see this because it's off screen, you can see it down here. Got my cheesy photo there, and then we'll move to i3 for a fresh boot. And then oh my god. As you can be able to see on the top screen, why do I have an error in my config file? What's that about? No error. Alright, I thought something like this might happen. Maybe I need to completely erase. This is from my earlier install, basically. Kavu control. Cool. Chris will have a look at that. This is annoying because I did nuke the previous install and it seems to have not deleted the config file. So how would I, if I go Windows Terminal and then config wizard? No. Any tips at this stage? So for now, I'll just do app install. The tune's nice and audible, by the way. Are there any pros here? This is super easy to grab default configs and I can put in config. Oh, cool. Yeah, thanks. So I may have to boot back out. Although it should have my browser, right? That's the wrong thing. Google Chrome. And we go to the YouTube chat. This I'm not willing to do on camera. I'll type the link in manually. How about that? I'm trying to be as chilled as possible with this stream. I'm not fussed about it being weapons grade, like high quality. But oh, it's logged out of all my stuff. That's annoying. So it seems we don't need that. Let's do fire. CD /i3/config multi-directory. So that would be in let's do ls for a second. CD ls. From here, where do I go? Because this is also why it says "come help" on the thumbnail. Do you know what I mean? About as much use as a chocolate teapot when it comes to Linux. So etc. So that's cd etc. And ls. Anyway, that's probably the best. Yeah, got you. Thanks. cd. i3 CD. And then what's the rough gist? Like clone it from there. Right, let's do nano. Is this the edited one? It's nothing to do that. It shouldn't be the edited one. That out. Control X. Permission denied. Damn it. Control X. Sorry, I'm not reading the chat just yet. I'll be back in a minute. I'm trying to see if I can figure this out myself. Okay, I'll keep that under advisement. I did read what you just wrote. Oh, for God's sake, right. What I need is to look over this way for the chat. That's what I need to do. So, terminal. CD. Dot dot. CD. Dot dot. LS. CD. etc. LS. CD. i3. And then we need to, so we need to clone that. CP config. Then we want to probably put that. Where would you recommend to put it? I guess it doesn't really matter. CD. Yep, done. Now we've just got to navigate to that folder. Christopher, the man. You are now Christopher the man for helping me out here. I appreciate it. Do I need to move anything? Like maybe if I switch this over to here, make it a bit better. No, that didn't help at all. Opposite way of doing things. Cool. And then I haven't got range. I haven't got anything installed yet. I'm just trying to remember what I was doing with this. What my intention was now. So that. So where will it put that file there? Ah, cool, okay, yeah, you've done it on your art setup recently. Right, so I need to go nano squiggly / dot config / i3. Nothing there. I must have done that wrong. I must have just created that file instead of. Firefox for now. So, right, I did have a command before. So I basically just want to get rid of the previous configuration. So, let's try and remember what command I used. What was it? It was something wizard. So that's where I need to go anyway. CD / home / tech Dave / dot com fig / i3 / config. Okay, so go. That's obviously the file. So I'm gonna go there. LS. And then, so if I just, Mr. Christopher the man, sir, if I just delete this, would that sort it out? Oh, I need to send my friend the link for the stream. Hold on. How do I do that? Share. Copy link. This is very reminiscent of when I installed Arch as well. when I did the live stream when I installed Arch, which made me chuckle quite a lot. Oh, is the stream gone dead? No? Oh, thank God it hasn't. Right. Oh my God, I thought the stream had gone dead. Phew, that was really... Yeah, that's alright, Christian, no worries about it. I'll figure it out, do you know what I mean? What I need to do is probably get a browser up and do these things myself instead of relying on my viewers. Oh, Chris, yeah. Let me see. Would I be comfortable with that? Yeah. Let's just take Dave, and then I need the number. Which is, I believe, 1430. If you can't find me through that, then no worries. Firefox storage is running. Right, so what we need to do, how to remove delete i3. There we go, that's what I need to see. Hi Rusty. Oh mate. Well, is your pancreas recovered? Well done. Oh, that's quite moving for me, that. Yeah, I have used... Oh, cool, Chris. Thank you. Yeah, I'll see if I can navigate my way to Discord on my P51 in a bit. PopOS. Yeah, I like the built-in tiling. I basically just wanted i3 for battery reasons, because if I'll show you what actually. I need to probably be in PopOS to wipe out i3 anyway, otherwise I'll have no operating system. Then log in on this screen that you can't see. No, we want to go back to Pop. There we go. Use my temporary password. So I like the tiling features. So PopOS, the tiling features are great. I have it on all the time, as you'll see in a minute. So I leave on the tiling with no exceptions. Everything else is just pretty standard. Like the gaps I've got set to 2. I can adjust that. So what I want is Firefox. So Rusty, how's progress with your pancreas? Did you manage to? Well, either way, I'm glad to know I've kept you entertained when you're struggling. So that's wonderful news. exe config files that you mess with, which probably shouldn't. Right, is any of this useful? Sorry if you hear me chewing. I've got nicotine coming. I've been trying to quit smoking. Just double checking the stream is still working. So I'm planning to be online streaming for quite a while, so this is... Deleting the system is not a solution. This is what I need here. Look, this is the one. So I need to go to... And as you can see, I've got the tiling set up already on PopOS. So we need to go into CD. God damn, I can probably just do it in the file browser. Let's see what we've got there. So we've got here. Show hidden files. Already got on, okay. God damn, let's look at this. Right, so we've got other locations, computer, there we go. rename it. Permissions. Right. Why don't I have access to IAM? Fine. You're not the owner, right? I've got to do it in i3. Okay, back to i3 then. You could rename this live stream "Incompetent Idiot Attempts to Do Stuff in Linux." It's good though. Right, you can't see this, but I'm switching to i3. Fudge is fudge and fudge. Oh, we now seem to have a fully working i3 back to basics somehow. Don't know what I did. I don't know if you can see that. Let's do Windows enter. It's going to be on 2, Windows 2, Windows enter. It's just taking a minute to load for some reason. Well, at least we've got the tunes to keep us going. No errors anymore, so whatever we did with that config maneuver obviously fixed it. Shout out to my buddy Shanks, the legend, name the face of legend. Not getting anything. I think this is some sort of issue going on here. I can't figure out what. Alright, so screen 1. Okay, we've got some sort of catastrophic failure going on here. Let's have a look. Let's switch back to this view for a minute. So I may have to do that. Let's have a look. With the tunes. Is the video quality alright if anyone's watching? Like, audio sounds good, tunes are nice and audible. 29 minutes in and we haven't even got i3 successfully installed yet. We'll work on that. Well, we sort of have. Right. i3. Let's get this password in. Let's see, we're looking for errors. No errors. I have got a loading spirally cycly thing. We've got the bar back, so that's good. We don't appear to be able to. Maybe that's where I'm going. Right. So it's using Alt, not the Windows key. Simple. Let's see. Okay. So we're in. We're rolling as much as I expected it to be. Question is, what do we install next? Back to this camera. I wonder. Alt D and Firefox. Spice of life. Best way to rice, why not? i3wm manager. Let's see if we've got any text based on how to actually rice. There we go, this is what we're going to do. We're going to go to Unix point, it's a reliable source of information. I ain't watching no YouTube videos while we're doing this, we don't have a way of broadcasting them. Plus that wouldn't really be ethically correct. i3 user guide open, that's a solid decision. Okay, so I know the basic how to navigate it because I've had i3 on other systems before. What I'd like to do is probably explore X-Render a little bit. Try and get HDMI 2, so we kind of want as it is, that's fine. Saying that, well, colours is where we really want to start. Now we need to go to the config file, is that right? Who knows? Right, now we've got something. Page up, page down. These are all fine for me. And my question to myself is, where do we I'm guessing like I can pretty much just put this anywhere. It just needs to be in there, right? presume we don't still have a Chris here, so I'm wondering how I could orchestrate Discord. Let's see, have I broken it? That's the question. Error, yes, I thought I had. Return post-haste. Apologies in advance. Apologies, that was a great opportunity to go to the toilet as well. Smart borders. Smart borders will draw borders only if there's one window. Right? It can also be enabled for gaps. How do I enable gaps? So what I actually want to do is enable gaps. So let's do Control F, gaps. There we go. Change gaps. Right. There's going to be a lot of this in this stream. I can see that. I guess this is kind of how it goes. I should just be doing this off camera, really. Much hope being given up. Windows 2, sorry, mod 2. There we go. Windows Shift 1. Mod Shift 1. There we go. Now you guys can't really see what I'm doing, so I can log into my shit. Might abandon ship on this. I'm getting frustrated. Maybe the best thing to do alright, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so this hasn't panned out quite how I wanted it to. I might come back in a bit once I've made some notes, because I'm kind of having a mild panic attack as well. If you've been watching, thank you for watching. And I'll probably be back in a bit.